Industrial automation. Automation drives the modern industrial world. It enhances efficiency, productivity, and reliability across all manufacturing and power sectors. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the industrial automation courses we offer. Industrial automation. This course delivers principles of automation, sensors, actuators, and control logic. Instrumentation and control. This course focuses on process measurement, calibration, and control loop optimization. PLC basics. This course covers programming, troubleshooting, and communication fundamentals for programmable logic controllers. Real-time networks. This course focuses on design and integration of data networks that connect industrial automation systems in real time. Our training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. Our courses are designed for PLC, electrical, and automation engineers and designers, as well as electrical, instrumentation, and maintenance technicians, plant operators, process managers, project managers, and contractors working in industrial automation and control systems. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Gain the skills to lead in the age of smart manufacturing. Explore our industrial automation training, available live online or in person, with EFTI.